Wondering how long fireplaces last? In this video, we'll dive into the average lifespan of different types of fireplaces and what you can do to extend their life. For gas fireplaces, the typical lifespan is around 10 to 15 years, while wood-burning fireplaces can last up to 25 years or more with proper care. Electric fireplaces, on the other hand, have a lifespan of around 10 years, but they require less maintenance overall. Regular fireplace maintenance is key to keeping your unit running efficiently. This includes chimney inspections, cleaning, and checking for signs of wear and tear on key components like the fireplace liner or gas valves. Keeping an eye out for signs of damage can prevent costly repairs or even the need for an early replacement. If your fireplace isn't heating like it used to or showing signs of wear, it might be time to consider an upgrade or repair. Regular upkeep and professional inspections will help ensure your fireplace lasts as long as possible, providing warmth and ambience for years to come. For more tips on fireplace care and maintenance, be sure to subscribe to our channel.